you can consider this as a review of Metafutures. This is me trying to walk you through the features on this app. All right, so even though it takes a while for it to load, depending on the speed of your internet access, but it will eventually load. Just be patient, okay, and it is going to work. Now, this is the interface. As you can see in the interface, they have interface for top traders, for top rank achiever, like rank achievement, and they have interface for top earners. Okay, when you look at the top earners, okay, what you're going to see is that let me try this. If you look at the top earners, these are the top earners on the platform. Okay, there are some users that have already earned more than $1.4 million. As you can see right here, and Forex Money Pro is the number one on this ladder. Then we have Obiagu Kingsley, we have Ezekiah, and the rest of other guys, as you can see. So these are the guys that probably invited their friends, their family and friends, and they have a robust team. So they've earned this amount of money so far. So then if you look at the rank achievements, it is not available yet. Okay, then if you go back, sorry about that, guys. So if you go back, then you click on, I'm gonna ignore this. So if you go back and click on top traders, okay, who are the top traders? Okay, top traders are those who have been actively trading, okay, and are making profit. So for among the top traders, these are the guys that made a reasonable profits. These are the top 10 people that made profits today. On a weekly basis, okay, this week, these are the top guys that made profit this week. On a yearly, okay, yesterday, some of these guys made some money. Yesterday, monthly, okay, if you switch to monthly, someone actually made over $25,000 in the last, this month alone. So, if you go here, this is the total, okay, total money that people have made using this app, like over $60,000 in total. All right, so we have a money magnet made 32,000. So like every day, people are actually using this platform to make money for themselves, okay, using a proven strategy that they have. So now we're going to go back. Okay, this is the demo account. As you can see, what I have here is 500 USD for the demo account. So probably want to analyze Bitcoin. They have an icon you can click for you to analyze the Bitcoin. Okay, so you can switch this daily time frame. Okay, you can switch to 1 hour, 1 day, depending on whatever thing that you like. Okay, this is the 1 day chart of Bitcoin on the platform. So from there, if you want to bind your account, it's not difficult to bind your account. I'm going to be making a separate video on how to bind your account. All right, so then if you go here, you're going to be seeing coins, and you can search for the name of the coin as long as it is listed on Binance and Bybit. So you can click on, let me say clay. Let me say you want to trade clay. This is clay, and according to this chart, it said it moves with BTC. So they have some level of correlation with Bitcoin. So, and if you check out something like an ETH, okay, it moves with BTC also. All right, so now look at this caution sign. Okay, if you look at this caution sign, the greener it is, okay, the more the likely that this coin moves with Bitcoin. So, and once this is green, this caution sign is green, it probably shows that that coin have some kind of low volatility. So let me go to now, let me say sushi, for instance. I don't know if that moves with Bitcoin. Okay, it moves with Bitcoin, but despite the fact that it moves with Bitcoin, it still has some level of volatility. That's why the caution sign you are seeing is yellow. All right, so if you trade those pairs that doesn't have the gray caution sign, okay, they can give you high profit, but the risk is a little bit higher. All right, so Let's assume you want to set a strategy. So you click on settings. This is the settings. Okay, so from settings now you can keep tweaking a strategy that you want. Now they have leverage up to 50x. Man, that is it's not okay actually. So make sure that your leverage is not more than 5x or at most 10x. Okay, for high risk taker 10x, for low to medium risk taker it should be 3 to 5x. Okay, so for those who know me, okay, I always stick to 3x. But with this bot, based on the new strategy, I'll be trying out 5x first. Then if it's not working the way I want, then I will try 3x. Okay, so the number of cycles, trade start callback, trade reject callback. Okay, so don't worry guys, I'm going to be making separate video about how to configure this for yourself. Okay, how to configure this by yourself. Okay, so that's going to take me some time, but I will surely make a video about it. So just make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and invite your friends, so that, we are all going to enjoy this together. So now if you look at this, they have master traders. Okay, among matters, you have cross trader. This is where you find all those master traders. Okay, so I'm going to be creating a master account, like an account that you guys can follow, okay, and enjoy my strategy. Okay, so I'll make sure that you can use the strategy with a minimum of 500 USDT. Okay, so minimum of 500 USDT. So that's the way I'm going to configure that strategy. All right, that's the way I'm going to configure this strategy. So, but this is the good thing is that we have an access to a demo account. Let me go to the main tab. This is the demo account, and the demo account we have 500 USDT for practice. All right, so the fact that we have 500 USDT for practice, then I'm going to create the strategy and launch it and see how far this is going to perform in the next 7 days. So I will just take that performance, I will iterate it, and use it for the live account. So make sure that you stick around, and if you want to be a part of this journey, because for me it's a new journey for me. If you want to be part of this journey, then by all means possible, make sure you sign up with the link in the description box. Okay, that's an affiliate link. If you join my team, then I'm going to be sharing all my strategy with you. Okay, and if you want, you can also follow me, because they have a social trading segment in the app. So when I create a social trading segment, then I will invite you guys to follow it. Then when you follow it, as long as I make a profit, you're also going to be making profit together with me. Okay, so and I hope that is fair enough. All right, so that is pretty much about the brief review. But if I conclude that, let me walk you through this process. Like, you can read crypto news, other messages, system information, the company news, my achievement. This is the company news. Okay, they said okay, that's an old news actually. My achievement, I don't have any achievement yet. Okay, I don't have any achievement yet, so I'm just like a newbie on this platform, as you can see. So for crypto news, we probably aggregate news from different platforms. Okay, and you can read all the news from here. All right, so if you want to stay ahead, if you want to stay ahead of your peers, of your friends in crypto world, then it makes sense to actually pay attention to news. So let's have a look at this. Today's markets, let's have a brief look at today's market. As you can see, the market is in green today. That is quite impressive. It's in green today. So if you want to have a brief scan of the market, you can do so through the app at the same time. Okay, so and I hope you kind of okay, you can even start some coins. Let's assume that I want to trade sheep. I will just start it. Okay, let's assume that I want to trade AAV frequently. I'll go ahead and start it. Let's assume I want to trade ATA USDT, or let me say Atom USDT. I'll go ahead and start it. So if you go to this star, when you click on star, you will find your favorites cryptos right there. Okay, that's the essence. So it makes your work simple. Okay, like me, I don't actually trade all the pairs in the market. I only trade a few pairs. okay, that has been tested and trusted over and over again. So those are the kind of pairs that I prefer to test. All right. So let me see if there is anything I did not mention. Okay, like signals. So when you click on this, it is going to generate some signals based on Bollinger or RSI. Disclaimer said these signals are provided by TradingView and just for knowledge purpose. Please do your research before trading. So I understand. All right. So get Bollinger Band signals. So you're going to search for the signals that are available based on the Bollinger Bands. So let's have a little bit of patience. So all right. So according to this, AVAX is close to lower Bollinger Band, meaning that you can buy. Then if you look at this band, all of these, they are close to the lower part of the Bollinger Band, meaning that they are good to buy at the moment. So for RSI, it says there is no signal currently. Let me switch to 1 day. Let's see if there will be signal for 1 day. Show results for 1 day. Let's see if there's going to be a result for that. Okay, we are waiting for this to generate signals for us. Okay, so for 1 day on RSI, we can see that there is a lot of signals right here. But for this, if you look at this, many of them, they are just a little bit above the middle line of our RSI. For those who know how to use RSI very well. So except I see a signal or a pair on like 70 on 70 value. Okay, if you see a signal on 70 value, then it might be a good signal to short. Okay, and if you see a signal like 30 value, 35 value, it might be a best opportunity for you to long. Okay, so that is for the signals. As for the signals, I want to have a look at the top losers. These are the top losers and these are the top gainers. As you can see, the top gainers are here and the top losers, they are all here. Okay, so this is for the edge. They have the edge board. This is the edge board. All right, this is the edge board, and it makes a lot of sense if it is something you want to try. Okay, but it means that you are using the custom strategy. Okay, a custom strategy. So I want a default strategy, rather, not a custom one, a default one by Metafutures. So but we want to be able to have our own custom strategy. Okay, so I'm going to be making another video that will walk you through the process of creating your own strategy with this bot. So and that is pretty much about the review. Have a great day and bye for now.